Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chiamaka. In this channel, I bring videos of healthy, spiritual tips and lifestyle. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscription button. In today's video, I'm going to show you an instant remedy for cough. The way you will prepare and use it in order to achieve an amazing result. After watching my video and you find it useful, please click on the like button. Drop your comment if you have any comment below, and don't forget to share to your loved ones.
Miracle leaf. This is a wonderful leaf that has so much health benefits. It can be used against infection. It has anti-diabetic properties, anti-cancer properties, and anti-inflammation properties. For those that have arthritis and rheumatism, it can help to reduce the inflammation. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you will use it to treat cough for children. Cut the leaves. Put it in a clean basin. Pour a clean water. Add salt. Wash properly. Put it in a hot plate or hot stove to make it tender. Wash your hands properly. Then squeeze the juice. You can give it to the child twice a day. Within 2 days, it will clear the cough.